Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Epidemic Sound plugin to DaVinci Resolve. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the Epidemic Sound website. After once done, go ahead over to apps right here. The first option that we have is just that you can go ahead and use the DaVinci Resolve Studio plugin. Okay, again, Studio, not for the free ones. If you only have the free one, you won't be able to use it. But don't worry, you can still be able to use the Windows app or just the website. Okay, so if you want to use the plugin, click on the Studio version right here and download it for Windows or Mac OS. Just like so. Save it wherever you want. Just wait for the download process to finish. And then once that's done, click on the installer and wait for it to open. And then just basically follow simple prompts. Install, install, and just wait. And once that's done, you'll be able to see a tab right here for Epidemic. And it will list down, okay, your Premiere Pro plugin. So just basically click on this icon and then click on install. You won't be able to see it because it's bugging on my end. But just basically click on install DaVinci Resolve Studio plugin. And then once that's installed, you can now then go ahead and open up DaVinci Resolve Studio. Okay. And as you can see here, I only have the free one, but don't worry, for the free ones, we still have an option on how to use it. Okay. So again, this step is just for Studio or for Studio users. Now go ahead and open up one of your projects. And in here, just click on Workspace. And under Workspace or under Scripts right here, you should be able to see Workflow Integration. Okay. Again, workflow integration, just hover your mouse onto it and find Epidemic Sound. Click on Epidemic Sound and an Epidemic Sound window will pop up. So you can just go ahead and log into that window and then click on download. When you click on download, automatically the music will be listed in here under your media pool. Now to those who don't have the studio version, so you can go ahead and choose to download the Epidemic Sound app. Again, open up the web browser. Click on apps and just download Epidemic Sound application. Click on it, download it, and it will look like this. Okay. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that you log in. And then once logged in, go ahead and find your specific music or the music that you want or SFX. Download it. And then once done, you will find the downloaded music or SFX under Documents. And then Epidemic Sound, Music, here we have it. Just drag and drop it, there you go. And the last option is to go ahead and use the browser, okay, or the website. Download music from here, download, save it wherever you want. And then once that's done, again, just drag and drop. And that is how you use Epidemic Sound plugin for DaVinci Resolve. And if you want to know more about Epidemic Sound, you can go and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.